All right, now we have to pour our batter for German pancakes, which get cooked in the oven. So this is going to be big time pouring. I don't know how much, I mean, I have batter for these pans, but I've got to fill them up 1 cup at a time. Otherwise, I'm going to overfill it. Well, you get the hint. I think, though, I'm going to lift up the pan. Now the pans are red hot, so I can't really lift them up. I could put, that one's got 2. That one's got 2. This one's getting a little extra every time. You get the idea.